Want to know how to add a bio or description on your WhatsApp account on your iPhone? Well, no worries. In this quick video, I'll show you how you can add your bio to your WhatsApp account on your iPhone. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open up the WhatsApp app. After that, tap on the settings from the bottom right. Next, tap on your name. Here you can see the About section under the phone number. Now tap on the arrow icon from the right side. Here you can see the number of default bios, but you can set what you want. To do that, tap on the current, which is WhatsApp default. Now remove the WhatsApp default texts and add your bio here. Remember that there is a 139 character limitation. You cannot write above 139 characters. So this is how you can add your bio on your WhatsApp account on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, write them down in the comments below. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.